For years, the most visible face of AI has been the chatbot. You type, it answers. You drive, it responds. That model is being replaced rapidly and comprehensively by something fundamentally different. AI agents do not wait to be asked. They perceive, decide, act, and adapt autonomously. And in 2026, they are already doing real work with real consequences. So what exactly is an AI agent? In plain English, an AI agent is a software system that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve a defined goal without requiring a human to approve every single step along the way. Think of it like giving a highly capable assistant a task and the keys to your digital office, and trusting them to complete the work without checking in after every step. You define the goal. The agent figures out how to achieve it. The most important distinction in AI right now. Chatbot versus agent. A chatbot responds to a single prompt and stops. An agent pursues a goal across multiple steps autonomously. A chatbot generates text only. An agent uses real tools: email, calendar, browser, databases, APIs. A chatbot has no memory between sessions. An agent builds persistent memory across tasks. A chatbot, you drive every interaction. An agent, you supervise. It drives. Think of a chatbot as a knowledgeable colleague you ask questions. Think of an agent as a capable employee you assign entire projects to. Every AI agent operates on the same four-step loop, continuously, until the goal is achieved. Step 1. Perceive. The agent takes in information from its environment: emails, databases, documents, web pages, previous actions. Step 2. Reason. Using its underlying AI model, it thinks through what to do next, breaking complex goals into manageable subtasks. Step 3. Act. It executes its chosen action using available tools. Send an email, update a record, run a search, call another agent. Step 4. Observe and adapt. It checks the result. Did it work? Does the next step need to change? Then the loop begins again. Agents exist on a 5-level autonomy spectrum. Level 1 suggests actions you approve, every one. Level 5 is fully self-directed. At most responsible business deployments in 2026 target Level 2 or Level 3, where agents handle routine work autonomously, but humans stay in the loop for high-stakes decisions. And the real-world applications are already here. Sales agents re-engaging cold leads, support agents resolving tickets at 3 a.m., research agents producing competitive analyses in 20 minutes, finance agents processing invoices end-to-end, IT agents detecting and remediating system failures, content agents maintaining publishing pipelines without daily manual input. 4 risks every deployer must understand: unintended actions, agents misinterpreting goals and causing real harm. prompt injection attacks, malicious instructions hidden in content the agent reads, runaway costs, agents looping and generating enormous compute bills, data privacy violations, sensitive information exposed through broad data access. Before deploying any agent, 5 questions. What is the maximum harm if it behaves unexpectedly? Which actions are irreversible? How will I know if something goes wrong? Can I stop it instantly? Is it fully documented? AI agents are not the future of business. They are the present. The professionals and organizations who understand what agents are, how they work, and how to govern them safely are building a competitive advantage that compounds with every deployment. The key insight is this: an ungoverned agent is a liability. A well-governed agent is something genuinely new in business history, a worker that never sleeps, never makes the same mistake twice, and scales infinitely within the boundaries you set for it. The complete beginner's guide is linked in the description. If this made AI agents finally make sense, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. We make the most complex AI concepts clear for every professional. See you in the next one.